Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. I am so excited for today's video because today I'm going to take you guys along on a little apartment tour. Matt and I have been living in this apartment we moved in the middle of September, so we've been living here for like basically almost half a year now. We are honestly there are probably still a few little things here and there that in an ideal world both of us would do to the space, but I don't want to delay anymore in doing this apartment tour vlog. This has been so many months in the making, and I've definitely shown the apartment throughout the last vlogs that I've done, but I haven't done a video where I'm actually taking you guys through the space, so I'm super excited to do that today. Welcome to the apartment tour vlog. Okay, so when you walk in, this is our entryway. We have a hallway closet here that is packed to the gills. It's not neat, but it works for us. I'm gonna need to, this is a big project of mine, is to like reorganize this and actually make it much neater. This is our little entryway. We've got a little chair here and some shelves. Matt literally put these up yesterday. I had some overflow of books that didn't fit in our bookshelf, hi Gouda, in the living room, which I'll show you guys soon. And I wanted to be able to display them. I just love having my books out. And we don't know what we're gonna do with these top two shelves, but I love these shelves. I'll also show you. Matt has these shelves by his work area, and I love the way that they looked, so Matt set them up over here. And when you first walk in, we don't really have much going on except for this little thing here, which is a shoe organizer. Matt has some shoes, and I have some shoes, and then this is some stuff for Gouda, right? Little face perks up. When you walk in, there is the first bathroom, which I guess is kind of more considered like the master bathroom because we've got a tub here, really nice long tub, and we have a whole ton of storage. We put all of our extra tissues, paper towels, toilet paper, extra towels, sheets, all the things, and it's not even fully like there. I've got room here. We have all of these drawers in the bathroom. I organized this one really nicely. This is like my little skincare drawer. I've got some skincare here and then under here as well. I've never had this much storage in a bathroom. I'm obsessed with it. And then for decoration, we wanted to keep things super simple in the apartment. You'll see that we don't have anything in color in frames. We really have just like black and white artwork. This Seth Godin signed a page of tribes, and so I've got that here, and then my little Gemini candle. And then these two pieces of artwork, we got the frames and the canvas art from Amazon, and I'll show you, we got it as a 4-pack, and the other two are in Matt's bathroom. So we'll keep going into our bedroom. This is our room. We've got our nice king bed. We got the bed frame from Amazon. I'm obsessed with it. It has under the bed storage, so I'll show you on that side because it's a little bit easier for you guys to see. Just some simple night tables. A lot of the stuff we have in the apartment is from Amazon. So if you guys want to check my storefront, you can see like the link in my store for my storefront's in the description. Love this lamp. We got this piece of art from Home Goods for like $70 or something. It was a steal. And then all of this stuff I brought from my old apartment. This is all my clothes, and then the closet behind Matt is also filled with my clothes. I love this little circular black mirror we have here, some of my jewelry, and then how freaking cool. These huge, really wide, like that wide drawers. There are two of them per side. Moving right along. This is our gallery wall. This is honestly one of my favorite things in the entire apartment. I'm obsessed. I had a vision of making this since we saw the place. The girl who lived here before us had something similar, but she had it kind of like all the way down, very spread out. I kind of like gallery walls like really tight together. Now we've got our clothing rack. I love this so much. One of the great things also about this apartment is compared to the other one, we have super wide halls. This hall, what in my old apartment was as thick as like where this column is. We have all this extra space. So we decided to get a clothing rack, and it's fantastic. Matt's got shoes up there. We split it for coats. I've got shoes down here. Super simple. This, if you are like a real subscriber and you really watch the vlogs, you saw the video where Matt and I bought this at an estate sale over the summer. This is the secretary. I love this piece. I actually utilize this more frequently than I thought I would as a desk. When Matt is taking a call, I will a lot of times come and he's like talking on a meeting. I will come here, bring my chair, and use this as a little desk. And I have clothes in all three of the drawers because there's just not enough room. This is some Goody stuff. We have this amazing mirror. Here, I'll take I appreciate you. This is our mirror. Do you want to be in the vlog? You just want to stay behind it?
Like a bum, but...
You don't look like a bum. I look like a bum too. We're wearing matching colored pants. Matt and his signature thumbs up. Okay, this is the hallway closet with our washer dryer. We've got our recycling, and then Matt put up these shelves, which are incredible. We have all the things. We've got mineral water, some bottles of water, our toolbox, all the cleaning supplies, laundry, dog food, all the things. This is the living room and the living space. I love it so much. This was the first thing we set up in the apartment when we moved in, and it just is so homey, so cozy. We've got the couch that I have had now for like 5 years. Matt brought this amazing chair. It is so cozy. The pattern is perfect. It literally fits with the couch and the rug that I had. But the best part is it's a full freaking swivel chair. It's the greatest. And we have our beautiful plant corner. I love this so much. This is our bookshelf. These are Matt and my books. I just love the pipe look of this bookshelf with the wood. It just fits in so well with the look of the apartment. So many people, when they saw me post this on Instagram, they were like, this literally looks like it came with the apartment. It just fits in so nicely. Our great TV stand. And now I'll show you guys the kitchen. So we've got this hutch here, which has a bunch of kitchen appliances. So much storage in this kitchen. This is our big kitchen island. It's the best. We've got our Berkey water filter here. We just have so much space. So much freaking space for all the spices and the sauces and the nut butters and the protein powders, and oh, it's just the best. It was a tight squeeze in the old apartment for sure, and it is so nice to just have ample space in here in the kitchen. We actually just got a new fridge. Our freezer decided to kind of call it quits. So we've got a new fridge. So kind of taking you guys over into this part of the apartment. This is my work from home desk space area. We've got a little standing desk here. We have this Hope chest, which is from Matt's family. It's like honestly a family heirloom. It is so beautiful. Honestly, like a nice little window watching spot, but I'll show you the superior window watching spot in just a second. We have a great view of downtown from the apartment, which I absolutely love. That's showing you guys.
Not well.
We've got our kitchen table here. Gouda literally hates it when we eat here at the table. He gets so mad and he just spends a lot of his time growling at us, so good times. And now moving into this kind of final corner of the apartment. The cool thing about this apartment is it is built as a 2-bedroom apartment, but the original tenant didn't want it as a 2-bedroom. They wanted this just big open space, so we pay the rent of a more expensive 1-bedroom apartment, but we have the space for all of this. Since I've moved to Buffalo, all I've been able to offer my family or friends when they come visit me is a couch or an air bed. And now I can finally offer them a real bed to sleep on. We got a day bed. You wanna come up here? This is Gouda's. Gouda thinks it's his bed. Come on, bud. Hi. He thinks it's his bed. He spends a lot of, thank you. Thank you. You're a good boy. He spends a lot of time sitting right on these pillows and looking out the window. He's gonna show you. He sometimes barks. He's gotten a lot better at not barking at dogs, but he thinks that he is like building security. So he looks out and sees if his friends are out or what's going on outside. And yeah, this is the daybed. We wanted to keep it super neutral with the pillows, so we have these kind of neutral tones, like these blue and beige and off-white situation going to match the gray of the daybed. We also have this little table with this little light, kind of serve as a little night table for when we have guests that stay. My favorite thing about this part of the space is this album wall. Matt spent like honestly a full day doing this to map out the exact spacing, the evenness from this side to this side, the evenness and the perfect spacing between each row. Oh, I just love this so much. This is definitely my favorite like wall decor that we have in the apartment by far. I just think it looks so good, and Matt and I had so much fun picking out all the albums and like figuring out where we were gonna put them to make a nice balanced color grid. Goody's favorite thing to do is to mess. His head is literally under a pillow. What are you doing, you goof? He spends a lot of time doing that, being a goof. So yeah, I love this album wall. And then this is Matt's little desk area. Matt has these bookshelves, and when he set this up, that's when I was like, oh my God, I want to do something similar like that in the entryway. And he also has this master's poster. So yeah, so this is Matt's workspace, and then this is Matt's bathroom. So I mentioned we had those other two canvas art pieces. So we have those hanging here. Very similar shower curtain to what I have in my bathroom. Super simple, nothing special. This one doesn't have a bath, but let's actually show the vlog. It is a stand-up shower, but with a really nice bench, and it's a deep bench. Literally goes like all the way in there. That's it. That's the apartment tour vlog. Right, Goody? That's Gouda's apartment tour vlog, because Goody thinks he owns the place. Right? Right, Mr. Baby? So yeah, if you guys like this video, if you liked seeing the apartment, hit the thumbs up and be sure to hit the bell and subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. If you have any questions as to where we got things, anything like that, just leave a comment. I respond super quickly to my YouTube community. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Okay, I forgot to show you guys like the actual, one of my favorite things, the coolest thing. We got this wall divider room separator thing. It's not real wood, but it looks like wood, so it matches the decor. And watch me as I freaking disappear. So if Matt wants privacy when he's working, he can put this up, but mostly when we have guests who stay. Now, come on. How cozy is this little area? Like, you got this, and then when we have a guest, I put a little box of tissues, and I'll like fold up their towels and put it on the hope chest, which is like right over this wall divider, and it's just a nice little cozy area so that our guest has privacy. This also can extend a little bit further. And then Matt and I will share the entryway bathroom, and then our guest has access to a bathroom that's all theirs. They have their own little space. Oh, it just makes me so happy. So yeah, I forgot to show you guys that in the vlog. So that's all. Bye.
Oh, that button. I thought I just hit the top.
Don't press anything now. It's just recording now. Okay. Now I'm like very nervous. Now I need to just